Alright guys, I actually got a truck here I'm here to check out for a friend. Ooh boy, look at this thing. This is a 2008 Ford F150 and man, it's got some aftermarket parts. Headlights, fog lights, off-road lights, grill. Oh, look at here. Do we have... Oh, we've got auxiliary electric fans. Wow. Got a lift kit. Got some wheels that look pretty good news. Yeah, she's been off-road a little bit. 2008 King Ranch F150. Looks pretty good. I mean, the seats. Well, there's a worn spot right there on the armrest, but these seats look like they have weathered well. I kind of like them. We do have a cracked windshield. Got heated seats. We got some auxiliary stuff going on. Might be for a winch or something. Is that a cowboy hat? Hell yeah. Interesting. Let's see. Do we have a key? This thing is... God, I don't even know if I can get in it. Oh, we got toggle switches. This thing may not start with the turn of a key. Who knows? Let's see. You may have to like do it. No? Oh, well, sir. Low fuel level. Doesn't look like we have any warning lights or anything, but we got an exhaust, buddy. Let me get in this thing. Oh my lord. Oh, got an exhaust. Looks like the radio was pulled out. Man. Golly, what a monster. Wow, this thing is like a beast. Holy cow, man. Okay, let's go for a ride real quick. God. Actually runs pretty good, and there's no warning lights on except for just your typical tire sensor, fault. No vibration from the engine. It's very smooth. Man, that exhaust is there, buddy. But I kind of like it. Needs maybe a little bit of an alignment. It's pulling a little bit to the left, but with these big old wheels and tires, if it's been doing some off-roading. Plus, I do have a tire pressure light on. This left front tire looked like it might be a little bit low, so that could cause it to pull one way or another. Man, this thing is a hoss. Ooh-wee. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm dead. Dead on the track. Maybe out of fuel. Engine safe mode. Alright, we're losing power, so I'm going to let you guys go. Like, comment, subscribe. We tried to make a test drive, but I'm dead now. We'll see you next time. Peace.